pick it up. Now just don't pick it up and let it go, or it's going to come back together like that and it's going to short something out. So you got a little clip right here, and that's all you want to do here. You're going to have some clips holding in the harness going to the wiper motor up and pull it out of the box right. The big clamp to the upper radiator hose. Squeeze that. Now you're not going to disconnect it from up here. You're going to follow the fuel rail down, the fuel line down. It's going to go right here. Let's get this one out, and we're going to this bracket right here with this harness. That. Now take your 10mm deep 3/8 drive on your impact and channel like right here, inside here. There's a bracket. Right. All right. Let's take our bolts. Check this out, guys. We're going to be definitely changing that water quarters ratchet. And the first thing you want to do is just try to turn it and break it loose in there, right in the center. And then 4 and then a 5.